Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to use Eskimo eSIM. So if you want to use Eskimo eSIM, here is a straightforward process on how to get started. So the first thing you have to do is you have to purchase the eSIM. So to purchase this eSIM, you have to buy an Eskimo eSIM from their website or authorized retailer. Then after that purchase, you will receive a QR code via email. Then open your phone settings to go to the cellular or mobile data section, then select the add plan icon and add cellular plan, then scan the QR code you received through your email. Then after that, activate eSIM. So once you activate, follow the on-screen instruction to activate the eSIM. Then you have to follow the configuration settings, then set the eSIM as your primary or secondary line depending on your preference. After that, you can test the connection. Ensure that your eSIM is working by making a call or using mobile data plan. And after that, that's the best way to use the Eskimo eSIM. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.